We are to convert each of these numbers given in base 10 system to either base 3, base 5, base 6, and base 8. So I shall be expressing each of these numbers in base 3, base 5, base 6, and base 8. Now, 8, which is given as number of balls in base 10, we are to express it in base 3. Now, what this means is, if you have 8 balls, group them in terms of 3s. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. If I have 8 balls, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if I'm to group them in terms of 3s, this will become 1, 2, and this is not up to 3. So what this means is that I have 2 groups of 3s and 1 group of 2. So expressing this in base 3, it therefore means that I have 2 groups of 3s and 2 remainder. So therefore 8 in base 3 is said to be 2 to base 3. What about 12? 12 in base 3, we're asked to write it in terms of base 3. So divide 12 balls into 3. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, it therefore means that we have 4 sets of 3s, remainder 0. So when you group 3 in terms of 3s, you are going to have it in this form. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. But 4 is not a digit in base 3. So we have 4 groups of 3s, of which can also be divided by 3 again. So we have 1 group of 3s with 1 group of 3s and 0 remainder. 12 in base 3 can be said to be 1, 1, 0 base 3. Remember, in base 10 system, when you have 999 and 1 is added to it, you have 1,000, of which the place value of this is units, while that of this 0 is tens, hundreds, and then thousands. Same thing we have with base 3. In base 3, when you get the first place value of 3 is 3 raised to the power of 0, which is 1. The next is 3 raised to the power of 1, 3 raised to the power of 2, and 3 raised to the power of 3 in that order. So you can't have more than 3 sets in a particular place values, just like we have in the base 10 system, where you can't have more than a group of 10. So also in base 3, you can't have more than a group of 3. So when we have a group of 4, we need to take them to the next higher value, which is 1 set of group of 3s plus 1 group of 3s, that is this, 1 set of 3s plus 1 group of 3s plus 0 remainder. 15 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, we have they are all in groups of 3s. So we have a group of 3, which is 1. We now have another 2 groups of 3s and 0 remainder, all in base 3. 20 can be written as, let's group them in terms of 3s too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So in terms of 3s, they are all grouped in 3s. Only 1 is in 2s. So we have, in terms of 3s, we have 1. We also have another set, which is 2. So we now have 2 groups of 3s, 0 groups of 3s, and 2 remainder, which is said to be in base 3. So this is how you can express numbers, convert numbers from base 10 to base 3 using the tally system.